Welcome, it's me Jimena and it's vocabulary time. Today you're going to learn vocabulary you'll need when organizing a meeting. First of all, let's see how we say convocar una reunión. We usually use the verb to call a meeting, convocar una reunión. By the way, we also say to call elections, convocar elecciones. And what do you do when you call a meeting? You set a time and a date. Tienes que fijar una hora y una fecha. Fíjate en que usamos el verbo to set. For example, the boss wants to call a meeting for tomorrow, but she hasn't set the time yet. Todavía no ha puesto hora. Y por cierto, no digas to assist to a meeting. Ugh. Asistir a una reunión es to attend a meeting, with the verb to attend and without to. I attended the meeting. Now imagine you've called a meeting with your client, but you're sick. What do? You call it off, which is another way of saying you cancel it. Pero si en lugar de cancelarla quieres posponerla, usa to postpone, or su phrasal verb sinónimo, to put off. So remember, cancelar, to cancel or to call off, posponer, to postpone or to put off. Lo contrario de to put off es to bring forward, que significa adelantar. Por ejemplo, vamos a adelantar la reunión porque me tengo que ir pronto. Let's bring the meeting forward because I have to leave early. And finally, to wrap up, para concluir, let's look at the phrasal verb to wrap up. We wrapped up the meeting early. Concluimos la reunión pronto. Good job.